when I sit down to do a coaching session with someone, whether it's someone that I'm, doing consulting with, coaching, mentoring, the first place that I come from is seeing if I can get them to share what they want to create, what they want to achieve, what they want to avoid, and then see if they already know what they need to do so that we can just get to work on having them do it. And then once we've figured all of that out, then if I have input, I want to teach, I want to give advice, then I'll put that in later after this. Okay. It's not that I don't ever give someone advice. I never, teach them or give them some direct help. It's just that I want to make sure that they've done their best and they've tried the best they can before I then give them the easy button, because this is what leads to the most growth and change and real success in life. You'll find that when you talk to people and you start asking them, hey, where are you going? What's next for you? What do you want to achieve next in your life? And then you ask, what are some things that you want to avoid or prevent in your life? Everyone has answers for these. They're just waiting to be asked. Okay? And this helps them clarify and get clear about their values and what they want to create. And then once they've loaded those things up into their mind, when you ask this very surprising question, what's your next step to create those outcomes? What most people are expecting you to do is go, oh, well, let me see if I can help, or, oh, those are really nice ideas. But they're not expecting you to say, well, what's an action step you can take right now to get that thing you want to create in your life and avoid that thing you don't want? And then when they say, oh, I've never thought of that. Well, what I could do is I could do this. Excellent. Yeah. Can you see how doing that thing is going to get you the things you want and help you avoid the things you don't want? Yes. Great. Well, will you do it? Right? We want to be motivated to do it. We want to be inspired. This is how you do it. This is the formula to inspire someone from the inside.